It's time for an episode of what I wore this week. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. My name is Ashley Parke and this is Parke Avenue and I have all the fashion content. So let's just get right into it. Subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure you turn on your notification bells and let's talk about these outfits. And actually, before we get into the outfits, I want to say a huge thank you to you all who continue to tune into my videos. And I really want to wish all of you well. I want to take a second and just check in with you guys. And I hope everybody's doing all right. I know right now it is difficult to not know what's going on in the world. I mean, you have to literally be under a rock to not feel what's happening right now. And I know a lot of people are going through it. And so it is kind of weird to get on the internet and make content about clothes and fashion and things that don't really matter when there's so much happening in the world. So I just want to thank you guys for spending some time with me and I hope you all are doing well. Now, when it comes to these what I wore this week videos or any of my outfit idea videos, they have always been to serve as inspiration for you all. Of course, I'm going to tell you where I got everything from in case you want to get it. But especially with these videos, they have always only been for you guys to be able to get inspiration and shop your closets. Throughout the year, we buy so many things. And I know I share a lot of things on my channel. So if you already have similar items, you can rewear those pieces. That's literally how I built my channel, by sharing the same pieces that I wear, showing you how I'm wearing them in different ways, and teaching you how to make the most out of your wardrobe. So let's not forget that. Now let's get into this first look. This first outfit I love. The crop on this is kind of perfect. I love the barrel sleeves. It's 100% cotton, so it's really a perfect spring, summer kind of a jacket. And then you're gonna be able to wear it into the fall as well because you can kind of treat it like a trench even though it's cropped. It'll still come in handy and you can layer under it. Obviously, it's gonna serve you more in the spring, kind of in the summer, because if you are in and out of air conditioning, it's the perfect little thing to throw in your bag and throw on when you get cold. And then it's gonna be great for the fall. Not so much in the winter, obviously. It's a cotton crop jacket, so you might not get too much wear out of it then. But for a lot of the seasons, it can work for you. Underneath it, I am wearing a tank from Express. I love these body contour tops. I have them in a lot of colors. They feel really good. They fit great. They hold their shape and they wash well. I like that these are ribbed because they act kind of like a regular tank top, but the shape just is really flattering to the body. And then you can layer with these. They're great under sweaters, especially if you get the smooth ones. I really like the way they feel layered under knits and things as the weather gets a lot cooler. Or if you're someone who likes to just throw a linen knit over your shoulders, because again, if you want to have something to travel with or wear when you're inside of the air conditioning, these kinds of tops are perfect to wear underneath things like that. On the bottom, I'm wearing a pair of jeans from the Gap. I recently got these back from the tailor. Another pair of jeans I had to take to get the waist taken in, but it was worth it because I love these. They're from the men's section. I love how baggy they are. They're loose and they come away from the body kind of like a trouser. I really like the fit on these. They look great cuffed. They look great just straight leg. These are really great. So try these on. And the thing I like about these is the wash. Whatever the wash is on these, they are a great in between. They're not too light, they're not too dark. And then they have a vintage green hue to them that I think is really great. On my feet, I'm wearing a pair of sandals from Madewell. I love these. They're comfortable and they're kind of chunky, but not so much so. In the past, I kind of got caught up in the chunky sandal thing. And I still love it. But I was looking for something that wasn't too chunky, but not completely flat. And these kind of were a really great in between. And I love that they wrap around my ankle, but it has a buckle. They're just a really nice, well-made sandal. I like the color. It's kind of like a cherry brown and it's really nice. And then I have this entire outfit paired back to my snakeskin bag from Etsy. Still one of my favorite purchases. I just love this bag. It's a great size. Of course, the snakeskin is genuine python, which is amazing, especially for the price point. And I keep saying I'm gonna grab another one, the same snake print. It also comes in a different tone. The one I have is a little bit warmer, but I saw that it also comes in a cool tone snake print that I think would be really nice, especially for the fall and winter. But I'm so happy with this bag. I still reach for it constantly. And I like that I can kind of throw it under my arm and wear it as a clutch if I wanted to, but the hobo style is also extremely on trend right now. Next up, a little black dress is an absolute necessity. So hopefully you have one already in your wardrobe. If you don't, I'm gonna share a few that you guys can choose from if you wanna fill that gap in your wardrobe. But this dress is great. It's a knit. I love a knit all year round because you can wear it with sandals. You can throw it on with the boot when it gets winter. This is a necessity as far as I'm concerned when it comes to curating a wardrobe that really works for a lot of different occasions and seasons, because this dress you can dress up or you can wear it super casual. So here I have it kind of semi-casual. I have it styled with this flat sandal. This gold sandal is like the perfect metallic if you want to do a neutral, but something that also stands out, especially against the black dress. It's a nice pop that keeps it neutral. And then for my bag, I decided to go with a little bit more of a pop, but still neutral. It's a black and white zebra top handle bag that I got from Zara a while back. It has pony hair, so I like the texture, I like the print, and it also is a really great like little clutch you can throw under your arm if you don't want to carry a top handle. It is very reminiscent to the Bottega Andiamo bag, which I love, still on my wish list. But this is a really easy outfit that you can wear for a date night. You can wear it in the daytime. I would absolutely wear something like this in the daytime because it is an elevated casual look. You can wear it to lunch, brunch. You can swap out the flat for a heel if you wanted to. You can wear this into the office if you needed to. You can throw a blazer over it. And like I said, you can definitely style it with a boot once the summer's over and the weather cools down again. Here's the next look I have for you. And this one I love because I styled this entire outfit around the skirt. I love this skirt. It's by Ralph Lauren. It is a great length. I love the color. It's a gorgeous emerald blue, like this deep, deep blue that is like mesmerizing. I love it so much. So I wanted to style it kind of different than I usually tend to style it. I usually wear like a white top and either a bright, like a red shoe, or something gold. So I decided I was just going to also still keep it simple because the skirt I wanted to highlight. So I did black accessories around it. I went with this crop top from Banana Republic. I like the ruching on this. It also came in another color, but I went with black because I know I'm gonna wear that so much more. And for my shoe, I went with these Vince slides. I love the way this looks paired with it. At first I wasn't sure because the skirt has a sheen and then the shoes and then the bag that I went with is patent, but I'm for it. I like it. I think it looks great together and the shoes are extremely comfortable. I feel like this outfit was just a very wearable way to wear your more elegant pieces. This is something you can wear super casual. You can wear out to lunch, wear it to dinner if you wanted to. I love the way this came together. And for my bag, I went with this All Saints bag that I got from Nordstrom a while back. Really cute, and it pairs perfectly with the shoes. If you love a bag shoe combination that matches, then this is for you. Absolutely love this look. I just went with a pair of black Celine shades, and this is a super simple look. Like, it was really easy to put together, but the pieces speak for themselves and they work really well together. Here's the next outfit I want to share, and this Seersucker suit from Express is still a favorite of mine. I shared it when I first got it a while back, and I've worn it since. Now, of course, the pieces are sold separately, so you can style them any way you want, but I just love the way it looks together. I really love the way it looks styled together. I'm waiting for my white jeans to come back from the tailor because I feel like the top, the vest, and some white jeans is going to be a really cute everyday look as well. But here is both pieces together. Love it. I styled it this time with my Ferragamo bag. This is something that I feel like I just need to wear more. Every time I go to style it, I decide to go with a different bag, but this is something that is in my wardrobe. I want to get more wear out of it. So I paired it with this outfit and I think it's great. The navy blue with this gorgeous green is a really nice combination. And for my shoes, I kept it neutral. These are a pair of Michael Kors sandals that have gold studs, and they're in a really great luggage color, which is a great neutral, but it's still an interesting sandal. It also wraps around the ankle, but you can't even see because I'm wearing long pants with it. Here's the last look that I have for you, and I am styling this Banana Republic knit. It's 100% cotton. It's a larger open knit, and this is the kind of thing that is perfect to wear all summer because it's cotton. You can wear this even over your bathing suit. Like if you take this on vacation and you want to throw this on over your bathing suit with a pair of shorts, that would be excellent as well. So I have it styled here with a pair of cargos from the Zara men's section. I shared these a while back. I know a lot of you picked these up. So if you have them, pull them on out of your closet. They are cotton, so you can wear them right now and throw them on with a cute sandal. I have on those same Michael Kors studded sandals that I had on in a previous outfit. Really comfortable, easy. What I'm missing from my wardrobe is just a pair of like nude or black flip-flops. A leather elevated dressier looking flip-flop, but just a flip-flop, you know what I mean? I'm missing that from our wardrobe, and I feel like this outfit would have also been really great with something like that. But of course, we got to work with what we got. So I threw on those Michael Kors studded sandals, and I think this is a fun outfit. It has some interesting pieces, some interesting elements, a little texture and all that. But overall, it's a very simple look. It was just easy to put together. It's just elevated basics, and that's really all you need. You know what I mean? So you can play around with how you accessorize things if you want to punch things up a little bit, or you can actually find pieces that are just interesting but basic, so they're easy to style together. And then for my bag, I just went with my vintage Louis Vuitton Speedy. They happen to be super on trend right now, so if you have one in the back of your closet, pull it out and get to wearing it. And that's it. Those are all the outfits I have for you this week. Let me know which ones were your favorite, which looks you're gonna recreate. Check the description box for all the information you'll need, any of my other socials, anywhere else you can find me on the internet, that'll be in the description box as well. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, what are you waiting for? I would love to have you. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.